Good evening, my dear student. Today the topic is measuring mass. In before classes, you will measuring the length and weight. This one is measuring mass. Mass is nothing but the mass of an object is the measure of the matter, that is as the unit used for measuring mass are grams and kilograms. Mass means some other weight only. It will be considered a weight. In our daily life, you go to some shops, you buy some sugars or something, it will have some mass. That mass is calculated by units called gram, kilogram. Gram is considered as G, kilogram considered as kg. So these are the masses to use for measuring. And one more very light objects means it's a milligram. Milligram means very smallest, mg. It considered as mg. These are the objects to balance this measures. So digital weighing scale, that means the weight will be taken for this one is used in some shops. The items will be weighted in digital weighing scale. This one is the common balance. This one is before period. This one is used to find the weight of the object using the stones. So the stones having some values: 5 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram. So these are 50 grams. So these are all used to take one side, and one side will be what things you will bought from that person. So that one is in the other hand. So this one is common balance. This one has an electronic balance. This one is used for heavy object will be measured in this object. Okay, you go for the exercise 8.1. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable unit: kilogram, gram or mg, that means milligram. So kilogram is the heavy weight, gram is the smaller weight, very smallest one is milligram. The packet of salt weight. You go to one shop, you ask some salt. How to ask means 1 kilogram of packet salt will be there. So 1 means it's a kilogram. Next one, your pencil weight is, pencil is lighter weight only. So lighter weight means it is the gram. So 10 gram. An 8 years old boy weight is the 30 dash. So the weight of the person means it's a kilogram. So 30 kilogram. A book weight is 200 dash. So book means it's not a heavy weight, it's a smaller mild weight only. So 200 means it is a gram. A feather weight is 10 dash. Feather means you know the feather, the bird's feather. Feather is very light one. So 10 means it is a milligram, very smallest one. An apple weight is 125 gram, because 125 means it's not a kilogram, it's a gram only. Because you go and bought a kilogram of apple means 1 kilogram of apple means at least 3 apple will be there in 1 kilogram. But 129 is for 1 apple means it is a gram. So the next one, B sum, it's mass in ascending order. You will arrange, I do in the note. Afterwards I see in that. The next one, C sum, match the figure with their most likely mass. First one is elephant. Elephant weight is, you will see this, 80 kilogram, 5 milligram, 10 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 3000 kilogram. Which one is heavier? 3000 kilogram. So elephant weight is 3000 kilogram. Next one is paper. Paper means it is very light. Very light means these are having kilogram, milligram, kilograms are done. Milligram is very smaller. So you will match the paper in 5 milligram. Next one, bag of sugar. Bag of sugar means it will be 10 kilogram. Next one, person. Why I am not to match the 80 kilogram means the man weight is 80 kilogram, because man is not of 10 kilogram. So 80 is the man weight. The bag of sugar is 10 kilogram. One basket of apple means 2 kilogram of basket of apple. So these two sums are due in the book only. So this one, write the mass in ascending order: 3 kilogram 300 gram, 6 kilogram 200 gram, 3 kilogram 900 gram. First you consider the kilograms. 3, 6, 3. So 3 is very smaller. So 3 kilogram is there. So you go for the compared to the gram 300, 900. Which one is smaller? 300 kilogram is smaller. So ascending orders is nothing but smaller to bigger. So 3 kilogram 300 gram is less than 3 kilogram 900 gram is less than 6 kilogram 200 gram. The same for this 2 kilogram 300 gram, 6 kilogram 400 gram, 4 kilogram. Ascending orders are 4 kilogram is less than 5 kilogram 3 kilogram, less than 6 kilogram 400 kilogram. 400 gram. So these are all the exercise today, children. So copy down these two sums in your class of note. A and C sum do in the book. So thank you children to watching the video.